Hey everybody, back with another video for you. This one I bought one set of things at my local Dollar Tree for $1.25. The rest of it is something I made that is a pack on TPT for all of you for only $5 to help you easily create, implement, and get learning through play with this fun game. Keeping with my teach, play, learn philosophy and everything that I love about easy play in the classroom to accomplish simple skills, I made this fun bowling themed game using some clip art from my good friend Melonheads Illustrating. Nikki over at Melonheads makes awesome clip art. If you ever get the chance, you want some cool clip art, check out her store on Teachers Pay Teachers. Melonheads with a Z Illustrating. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love everything she has. So I got these bowling pins and I put them just on cardstock and I filled them with some sight words. Now in the pack that is available for all of you, there are sight words, letters, numbers, and simple equations, as well as an editable page so that you can create whatever type of game you want to go along with this. There are also recording sheets in there for you to use with the games that you're printing out and using with your students. So I took these bowling pins that I made and attached them to some cups that I picked up at Dollar Tree. Blue is one of my favorite colors, so I just picked these up. All we used was one pack of cups. You really only need 10 unless you want to prepare a bunch ahead of time. I just used some Scotch tape on the back. You could use Velcro dots to make it a little bit easier. When I laminate these, that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably laminate these, put Velcro dots on the back of all of the cards and Velcro dots on all of the cups so that when you stick these on, they just kind of hang like so. So this is an easy game to implement. I'm sharing this with you now so you can get it ready before Christmas break. Maybe play it as a Christmas themed game party, get some red or green cups. But all you're gonna do is set these cups up in a bowling pin format. I used a tennis ball for mine. You could use any type of, if you have a plastic bowling ball in your classroom, whatever it may be that works for you. We used a tennis ball with my students. They simply rolled the ball, knocked down the pins. The pins that they knocked down, I held up for them to read. If they could read the words we've been working on, we set that to side. That counts as a point for that round. If they couldn't read it, it goes back up into a formation to bowl their second roll. At the end of their second roll, after they finish their bowling round, like a typical bowling round, 2 rolls, right? Then we count up the words that they got correct. That counts as the student points. We got the words that they got wrong. That counts as the teacher points, and we play this as a teacher versus student game in my classroom with my 2 students. So as you can see in those videos there, and I'll share some more here, my boys that I was working with absolutely loved this game. I know your students will too. So get the pack on TPT. I'll put the link in the comments. It's $5 to get all the pack with the sight words that is editable. Get yourself some plastic cups, like I said, maybe red and green for Christmas themed, and a tennis ball, and you are good to go. Have fun teaching, playing, and learning, and share with me all the fun that your kids had with this. I cannot wait to see what they come up with. I'll see you next time.